Acellus language app. Initial W sound. Let's read today. We can learn new words. We can find the sound for the letter W. Are you ready? Here goes. The first is insect. We say that word insect. Insect is small animals that have 6 legs and 3 body parts. Okay, now another word. Interesting. And what does interesting mean? Okay, interesting means when something makes you want to pay attention to it. It's when something makes you want to pay attention to it. Like you see something that looks very interesting and you say to your parents that you want to go and see it. Okay, how about the word annual? That sounds good. Annual. Annual is to bother someone. Like this fly is annoy us. Okay, now flutter. Flutter, to move through the air lightly and quickly. Oh, flutter. Like the butterfly is flutter. The butterfly is flutter. I like to watch the butterfly flutter around my house. Okay, now distinctive. This big word, distinctive. When something is different than all the others. Distinctive, like something is different from the others. Like the butterfly is distinctive from tiger. Okay, let's go. Okay, can you find anything that is distinct? Okay, so that's different words, okay? I always use that words a lot. Okay, now we're going to be learning a new sound. Sound W. Word. Web. Do you see the sound? Try web. 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 The sound for W is web. This is web. This is a spider web. Look, the spider is using its web to go down. Okay, now let's see if we can find the picture that start with W. Mr. Rabbit, will you help us? Sure. Right. Apple, banana, watermelon. Do you hear the W sound? Apple, no. Banana, no. Watermelon. I hear that at the beginning. Watermelon. Alright, so watermelon start with the W sound. Let's try another one. There. Wagon, candle. Bear, no. Let's start the B sound. Wagon. Wagon. I hear at the beginning of wagon. Do you hear it too? Alright, so wagon start with the W sound. Let us try another. Ant, worm, scorpion. Oh, that was scary. I also want to meet the scorpion. Now, which of these pictures start the W sound? No. Worm. Worm. Worm starts with the W sound. The job. Worm. This worm is reading a book. Let's try one more. Watch. One box and bike. Does that start with the W? Watch. It does. It starts with the W. Watch starts with the sound W at its beginning. Can you find a picture with start W all by yourself? Let's read Acellus language acts. Let's see. Can you find the picture? Magic Rabbit will help us? Sure. Alright. We have apple, banana, and watermelon. Do you hear the W sound? Apple? No. Banana? No. Watermelon? I hear at the beginning of watermelon. Do you hear? Alright. So watermelon starts with W sound. Let's try another one. Have bear, wagon, and candle. Bear. No. Let's start with the B sound. Wagon. Oh, wagon starts with the W sound. Do you hear the two? Alright. So wagon starts with the W sound. Let's try another. And worm, scorpions. Oh, the scorpion looks scary. I never want to meet the scorpion. Which of these pictures starts with the W sound? And no, worm. Worm start with the W sound. Oh, you got it, didn't you? Worm start with W. Let's try one more. Watch. One box and bike. Watch. Did it start with the W sound? Watch. It does start with the W sound. Do you hear the W sound? Yes, I hear it too. Can we find a picture start with W all by yourself? Let's read Acellus science. Magnets. You're back. How wonderful. I'm glad you're here. Today we have a lot of fun. So today we are learning about a wonderful lesson about magnets. Magnets are the things that magnets that can stick to other things that is made out of metal. Like magnets can stick to a nail. And metals can always stick to other things and shapes. Like it can, as most of the things, magnet can stick to metal. Like a metal nail, magnets can stick to a metal nail. Magnet can stick to these things like this, like penny, paper clip, and nail. Okay, let's look at this. And these are both magnets. These are magnets. They can stick to each other. Look, what if we take a North Pole and a South Pole, and a South Pole and a North Pole? Is one stick together? And why we stick a South Pole to a South Pole and North Pole to a North Pole? Oh, let's try again. It didn't stick to each other. But if we make a South Pole to a North Pole and a North Pole to a South Pole? Oh, it has stick to each other. Oh, now we change it, but it didn't stick. Oh, the strings. The magnets. Wonderful objects that forms as nature. And now we have North and South Pole. They attract and they repel. Well, I think that's the reason here. Look, it takes a lots of nails. See you next time. It's attractive. See you next time. Acellus Science Club. Magnets can sometimes look like they're magical, but really they are doing things because of science. I have these two magnets. I took one of these magnets and let's carefully put it onto a nail. One way they want to stick this together, and turn one of them the other way, and they don't want to go together. Putting them together, the other one runs away. I'll put these together, and this will be heavier. Then we can use this one, because lock it to move that. And then we can use something like this. And then we drill in it. This is another kind of magnet. David tried putting these magnets together. So this way, they will try to put them together because they are fighting. The other way, let's turn one around and it will go together. Over here is one magnet, kind of like this one. These magnets have two ends. The ends are called poles. The poles are the strongest places on the magnets. The magnets have a north pole and a south pole. The north and the south want each other. But when putting them together, the north and south will stick together. Okay. There are some magnets that are like these. You can take them and hold them in your hand strong and throw them in the air. They make a sound. So if you listen to it closely, you'll hear the sound that these magnets make. It's just like them going together and rattling. The word magnet comes from a little town in a place called Turkey. And this town, there are many czars that are magnets. Magnets that are magnets, like these are magnetic. Magnets will pull or push it away. All these things here are magnets, but they in Turkey have things called lustre. These stones are naturally magnetic in Turkey. At these ends are called poles. He also learned that magnets first came from a small town in a country called Turkey. Let's do a problem like the one you're going to do. All magnets come from Turkey. True or false? So you remember that of these magnets here, and most magnets are made by glass. So you click from Turkey, but from other places around the world. So you click false. Have fun!